draw closer, a sense of anticipation fills the air at Hadiqat al-Mahdi. The preparations for this year's Jalsa Salana UK are well underway, with every volunteer's heart brimming with devotion. This extraordinary event, blessed by the presence of Hazrat Khalifat al-Masih, may Allah be his helper, gathers tens of thousands of believers from around the globe, uniting in faith, brotherhood, and spiritual rejuvenation.
Each year we look forward to this day coming, where we start building up for Jalsa, and the guests have started arriving. Even today we've had a big team from Mauritius has arrived today. So that's, for us, is a big buzz. That's what we're doing it for. The Promised Messiah's guests are our priority, and make sure that when Nazrul Anwar is here to deliver the speeches, that everything's in place to the best of our abilities. We have a farm that we have to convert from a farm into a city, small city, within 28 days, and turn it back into a farm within those 28 days is in itself a huge miracle that these volunteers work tirelessly to make that happen.
With meticulous planning and the tireless efforts of volunteers, the site at Hadiqat al-Mahdi is being transformed into a beacon of unity and faith. This year's Jalsa promises new and improved features, all guided by the divine wisdom and instructions of Hazrat Khalifat al-Masih.
Each year Hazur guides us to do something different that improves the Jalsa, and this year, again, is no exception. Hazur asked us to increase the quality of the kitchens, and the kitchen we've got extra 70 burners now, so an additional kitchen has been created as a result. We've got a butchery that last year was a revelation. We had fresh food served, fresh meat served to everyone on site, and everybody appreciated the quality of the meat as a result of our own abattoirs producing the meat here. And so we're very, very blessed that Hazur's instructions were followed, and as a result we were able to do that.
The role of Majlis Khadam al-Ahmadiyya UK is integral to the success of the Jalsa. These young volunteers dedicate their time and energy to serve wherever needed, embodying the spirit of selfless devotion.
Majlis Khadam al-Ahmadiyya's role, within the Jamaat acts as the pretty much in Urdu, as a Muslim would described it as Reed ki Haddi, as in the backbone of the Jamaat's operations. We have youngsters from the age of 7 all the way to 40 who dedicate their life and devote their time for the cause of, wherever the Jamaat needs them to serve. The greatest motivation for us, right, and which we hopefully don't take this for granted, is Khalifat al-Masih. Where the Majlis, where the Jamaat, where Hazur Aqta Sayyidullah Ta'ala bin Isra himself resides within. And with that, there's of course ample amount of responsibility that we have to shoulder, and rightly so. But it's a huge motivation for the Khadam, not just for Jalsa Salana, but throughout the year.
Despite the challenges, including unpredictable weather and the enormous logistical effort required, the teams remain focused and motivated, drawing strength from Hazur's guidance and example. Every step taken, every task completed, reflects the unwavering commitment to making this Jalsa a memorable and spiritually uplifting event.
We prepare for the worst and pray for the best, and we've got both at this Jalsa. We've had torrential rain, as you know, leading up to the yesterday. We were expecting a lot more rain over this period, and we did get it. We're expecting better weather now, so that will dry up a lot of the mud that has been on site. Hazur gives guidance on how we should carry on, particularly around the site, because obviously this site was waterlogged over many years, and Hazur himself devised the plan to actually improve the land drainage on site, and by the grace of Allah, since that installation has taken place over the last couple of years, the water drains from the site a lot better than it's ever done before.
As the final touches are made and the site comes alive with activity, the spirit of brotherhood and service shines through. The preparations are a testament to the dedication and unity of the volunteers, all working under the blessed guidance of Hazrat Khalifat al-Masih.
The Jamaat's ethos is all about servitude, and we're so fortunate that we get to serve. And volunteering is just one of those ways to serve. And Hazrat Masih Maud himself has said that this is no ordinary convention, right? Don't consider this to be a mela, don't consider this to be just a festival, right? So I think people come with this mindset that we're here to serve, and there's a greater purpose behind it, and that purpose is, having a closer relationship with God Almighty.
This year's Jalsa Salana UK is set to be a remarkable and spiritually enriching event, showcasing the community's dedication and faith. The preparations, guided by Hazur's wisdom and vision, are a testament to the unity and hard work of all involved, promising an unforgettable experience for all attendees.
खिलाफत की ही बरकत से सदा लगती है जलसे में।